Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the intrusion switch, loosen the 2 screws on the side cover and slide the cover off the system. Identify the intrusion switch and disconnect the cables to remove it from the system. To reinstall the intrusion switch, place it back in the system and reconnect the cables. Tighten the 2 screws to secure the side cover. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.